switch on the BB respirator or Luna belt, you need to press the on-off button. Now you can see the home page of the device. These two symbols, page home and this one, shows us where are we now. For example, at the moment we are on the page home. If I choose ventilation, it has also been changed. P1 means that currently the program number 1 is selected. This shows the selected mode. This is a keyboard state. It can be either clinician or patient. In clinician mode, all the parameters can be changed. In patient mode, only the switch between the saved therapies and the alarm volume can be changed. This symbol means that the device is charging. This is the battery level, and this means that alarms are disabled. Then we have 4 menus: ventilation, alarms, graphs, and settings. And here we have the monitoring values that will appear after we start the therapy. Now let's have a look at the settings menu. Here you can change the language, date and time, the screen color, like this. Then when you need to download the therapies done and stored on the device, you use export data button, which allows you to choose the desired mode for exporting data. With these 2 buttons, volume and brightness, you can change the volume and the brightness of the screen. For some type of interface, you need to use a whisper that needs to be calibrated. It can be done with this button, Calibrate Whisper. With the advanced settings, you can make the following operations, like put the standard manufacturer parameters, put the standard manufacturer alarms, check the alarm logger, check the therapy logger, change the password, and see the information about the device. On the left side of the settings menu, you can see 5 P buttons. They are 5 therapies that can be saved. Here you can either activate them or disable them, this way. If it's orange, that means that it's active. When it's blue, it's disabled. Now let's have a look at ventilation menu. On the left side, we have parameters that were selected for this patient. It can be easily changed. You just need to press here. And here you have all the possible settings. It can be easily changed here. Either you just need to press here, and then you can do it just with a finger or with plus or minus. Then you need either cancel or confirm. Then we have a program. This device can save up to 5 programs, and this way, if it's orange, that means that this program is currently active. These 2, when it's blue, that means that these programs are active, and when it's light blue, like P4 and P5, that means that these programs are disabled. Then we have interface. This device can work with 7 types of interface. It can be a single limb with expiratory valve, it's mono, then it's belt, then we have leakage facial, it's a single limb with vented mask, and leakage nasal, it's a single limb with closed mask with whisper. Then we have MEPVU, it's mouthpiece. Then we have high flow nasal cannula, and we have single limb with whisper. And then we have mode. This screen, this menu shows us all the available modes for the selected interface. This time we use a belt. So for the belt, we have only one available mode, it's IAP view. And then on the right side, we have alarms. The alarms, you see here, we have the list of alarms. Some of them are off and some of them are NA. So off means that these type of alarms are available and can be selected for this mode. And when it's NA, that means that they are deactivated. It can be easily changed here as well. You just need to press here, and here you have all the alarms that this device has. So here you see for this type of interface and for this type of mode, we have only 4 alarms, and now they are all disabled and deactivated. I just need to press on off, it becomes on. That means that now this alarm is active. And all these alarms are not available for this mode. Now let's see the alarms menu. There we can see all the alarms that this device has. As you can see, some of them are disabled, like this one, and some of them are off, like this one. If the alarm is disabled, that means that it's not available, it can't be set for the previously selected mode. If the alarm is off, that means that it's available, but currently was deactivated. To activate it, you just need to press on off, and it becomes on. From this menu, you can also change the alarm limits. Simply click here and change it either with your finger or with plus or minus. Then you need either confirm or cancel. At first, you need to connect an expiratory valve with the tube. The smaller size, this comes inside. Like this. Then you need to connect this tube with the device. It comes here. And then you need to connect the expiratory valve tube with this. Now let's see how to change the settings. So we have the PB-Air interface is the belt, the mode is IAPV, and on the left side we have parameters that this mode has. So we just press here, and here we have 4 parameters. The first one is the pressure of the belt. The range here is from 4 to 70 hectopascal. Then we have the frequency that can be from 1 to 60 beats per minute. Then we have time of inspiration that can be from 0.3 to 5 seconds. And the last one, it's the rise time that can be from 0.0 to 1 second. It can be easily changed, just press, just select the parameter that you need, like this, and then you can easily change it either with your finger or with minus or plus. Then you need to confirm. Now let's see the graphics that allow you to easily and instantly monitor the progress of the therapy. The upper line indicates the pressure and the down line indicates the flow. On the right side of the screen you can see the monitoring values. PIP, it's the peak inspiratory pressure. VT, it's tidal volume, then frequency and inspiratory-expiratory ratio. You can also freeze the graphics and change the scale from 1 to 3.